Hello traders, Yvette McCray, the Pipologist here, bringing you the daily analysis forecast for the GBP USD, the US500, and BTC versus the US dollar for this brand new trading day, August the 30th. And before I get started, I would just like to make my disclaimer that trade ideas are not financial advice nor guarantee, only a view of possibilities. You agree to use them at your own risk. Past performances is not indicative of future results. So let's get into it, people. So we're going to start here with the GBP USD. And I'm going to give you the trend levels as well as what I believe may take place in this new trading day for these three pairs, starting with the GBP USD. So as of today, the market for the GBP USD has come down and made a new low right here. Okay, this is what I call the super low of the day, and I'm talking about this black dotted horizontal line here. And up here near this green moving average, we have the super high of the day. So price normally trades from the super low of the day to the super high of the day. Okay, and that's for all my scalpers and day traders. You want to know how to mark your chart for the daily super high and super low. Very key. Okay, and makes a great success in your trading. So on the right side on the left side of the screen, okay, sometimes I don't know my left from my right, but that doesn't make me a bad trader. Okay, so on the left side here, we have a daily minor high and low, which are these dotted aqua horizontal lines, okay, right here. And so price is below right now. For this new trading day, it has closed below the minor low of this new trading day. And so my bias is that it will come down to try to retest as close to the super low of this trading day right here at this black dotted line. Okay, and so you can see I'm already in this trade. I'm negative only just about 2 pips here, which is fine. I'm only looking to take this down to somewhere right here near these minor low of this week right here. And then I'm looking for this pair, okay? I'm looking for this pair to continue to the upside, right? Continue to the upside. Let me go ahead and take a look at the daily time frame on this pair. Okay, we have a new daily candle. Okay, it's rather strong, right? So this is, like I said, right here is where I'm projecting this goes down to retest the super low of the day. Okay, and that's like a 78.6 retracement level if you're using Fibonacci from this low to this high, this low, this red candle here where my mouse is, to this high, this candle here, and looking for it to come back at a 78.6 retracement. That's going to be right here at the very bottom, right beneath the the minor low of the week. Let me slow down. The minor low of the week, okay? It's gonna be just below that. All right, so that's what I'm looking to happen tomorrow between tonight and the New York session. That price comes down to this area right here, okay, and then continues its path to break up this bearish momentum that has been taking place overall since the beginning of the year. Okay, so that's my bias for the GBP USD. Let's go to the US500. Okay, I am going to put this on the daily time frame on my right side, the right side of the chart. Okay, And on the left side, we have the 30-minute time frame. These are the two time frames that I like to look at when I'm deciding to get into the market. Now, I do use all the time frames. When I say all, I'm looking at the 30, the daily, the hour, and the 5-minute, okay? Just so that way I can see at a glance what each time frame is doing. It helps me to better time my entries. So looking at the daily time frame on this pair, same thing is happening here. We're at the bottom of the week here, okay? The market has made a weekly low right here, a super low right here, okay? This is what I call the super low, right? And so it's here trying to get back above there. Now, if it can stay below here, then it can go down further. But if it cannot stay above here, if it cannot stay below this price level, this golden horizontal line, which is in which I call the weekly super low, then the market is going to go up. So let's trickle down to the 4 hour and see how it's been going. And look, it's fighting because look, we have a signal to buy on the 4 hour time frame for this pair. So that lets me know that, you know, price, the bulls are taking over. The bulls of the market for this pair are taking over. And so I'm looking for this pair sometime today to go on up somewhere near this ADR high or even higher right here to the super high of the day, right? Now it may come and try to retest a little lower, but my bias is that during the London and the New York session, we're going to be very bullish for the US500. That's going to be our position. So if you're looking to buy this pair, I would definitely buy above, what I want to see. I would definitely buy above the super low of this week, okay? I will buy above the super low of this week. And if you want to know what these levels are, come and join your girl. I give this information out to my Freedom Nation citizens, okay? Everyone that's in my Freedom Nation citizens trade group, they get the actual information. I spell it out for them. They don't have to guess these levels. I give it to them and allow them to plot it on their MT4 charts, because I believe that's the best way to learn. I don't like to so much feed trades, although I'm trading with my group, but I give them the information so that they can learn to fish with me there with them, guiding them, okay? So if you want to know what these levels are and how to achieve them on your chart, come join your girl. Click the link in this video in the description. It's going to take you to a funnel, like this is what I call it, a lead capture page, okay, where you're going to fill out some information. In exchange, you will be able to join my free Pip Nation group. And inside my Pip Nation group, I further give you instructions on how you become a student, okay, where I can coach you. So that's just my 2-minute or 2-second commercial. All right. But no, seriously, the market has various levels for trends, and you need to know what those price levels are, okay? They work by price levels. So again, my bias for this pair, you want price to get above the super low of the week, all right? And if you're in my Pip Nation Citizens group, that's my free group, you know, you get invites to my trade sessions for the New York trading session, okay? So we're looking to be bullish. Know that you should be looking to go bullish on this pair tomorrow, sometime during the London or New York session. Now, as for Bitcoin, all of these pairs, y'all, are doing the same thing. They're doing the same thing. We have a low here, okay, the super low of today. We already see on the 4 hour that price is giving us a signal to buy. So again, you want price to get above the super low of the week. That's this golden horizontal line. Right now, price is is sandwiched on the 30-minute time frame between the minor high and minor low of the day, and that is the aqua dotted horizontal line. All right, and again, we want to get above the super low of the week, and that's right here at this moving average, right? I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're going to come and join the group to get this information, y'all, but I am giving you a bit of a hint of what I'm looking to happen in the market concerning these pairs. And they're all, in my opinion, will be doing a bullish run during the London and New York session. So there's my tip, my analysis forecast for the GBP, USD, US500, and BTC USD. Happy trading. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning during the New York session.